Bunge wa Kiaru Ndindi NYORO hariuga thirikari ya Uganda ni yaronokirie Kenya kiri uri shares cia Kenya pipeline hariuga Kenya ni rada miburu kinyie chunchi keithano ndirarombere thirikari ya Yoweri Museveni kwithira yukumila. Ndindi NYORO hariuga thirikari kinya ni kubanga witithia maudia mauta ndeni ya Kenya kenda wikira ndwaira iri mid-raised.
Munaona vile kunaenda Iran. Now the oil prices, you are seeing how they are going. But there is something I've been talking about every day until people think I have nothing else to talk about. That thing is called securitization. Securitization was an illegal borrowing that was done by government. And now we have the budget policy statement. They don't even know how to account it in the books of government. They are trying to account for it as a revenue. They are trying to account for it as what? It is betraying them because it is a debt which they don't want to admit. Unfortunately, Kenyans will soon hear some choruses from government. Because they want to raise fuel prices, they will now start blaming Iran and Middle East. And I give you 2 months, you'll see that happening in Kenya. Below 2 months, you'll hear EPRA raising the fuel prices in a manner that is higher than the global oil prices trades. The global oil prices are lower now today by over 30% of what Uhuru left. But oil prices in Kenya has not gone down commensurate. Why? Because the government introduced an 8% VAT on fuel, which was not there. The IPO subscription by the closure was below 5%. Ugandans came with 21, they bought 21%. This other one, you are seeing the government reporting yesterday that there is a 41% percentage bought by local companies. These are not local companies. These are government-affiliated companies. It is becoming a very bad trend. But the #1 trustee of NSSF are not the trustees we know, but the phone calls they are receiving from high offices. And I want to tell NSSF, anything you cannot do with your own money, do not put workers' money in suboptimal investments. So the 41% the government is purporting at this is Kenyan companies. It is NSSF, it is Superannuation Fund, it is Kenya Re, KCB were being ensnared. I hope they refused, and some other companies with only one rider, all being controlled by government.